DIY curtain of my mother. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, papakita ko sa inyo paano gagawin ni nanay yung DIY curtain niya made of empty wrappers. Sana guys, makakatulong to sa atin environment na mabawas-bawasan naman yung mga basura na makikita natin sa mga daanan. Thank you for watching. This is ready for sewing. But before that, we watch first how we started this project. Now I'm going to gather all the empty plastic wrappers into one plastic. Now I find one big plastic so I can put together all the empty wrappers. Bigas. I collected all these empty wrappers from milk, coffee, crackers, powder soup, from candies or candy wrappers, and more. Now I'm going to put all in a plastic. So maybe next week I will be going back home to my mom's place. I will bring all the empty plastic so she can do DIY or DIY curtain made from empty wrappers. Now I done put all the wrappers into a plastic. Then now I want to tie this up so can be ready by next week. I can bring home. You know what guys, what's the best thing is my mom make for my store. This one, you look at this, how good, how very good. And one of her friend asked her to make for her window. Then she sold 250 the one window. This one she make for me for free. Salamat Nay, thank you my mom for making this very nice decoration for my store. Salamat Nay, shout out Nanay Sabina. Grabe talaga yung effort ng nanay ko, hindi siya nasa-stress dito sa kagagawa. Lahat ng sulok ng mga bintana namin mayroon na. So when customer come, it won't disturb them to go inside.
A few minutes later.
Now guys, sisimulan na ni nanay paano niya guguntingin yung mga empty wrappers. Maybe she cut around 3 inches or by 2 cm the plastic. Now she start to roll the plastic so she can form for DIY. Guys, ganito po si nanay tuwing mga free time niya sa mga house chores. So ito yung mga libangan niya, naggugunting ng mga empty wrappers, tapos pinoform niya, ilalagay muna niyan dito ginama sample niguman ani tuhugo na ni siya. Now she ready to tie up all or connect every pieces. Now let's connect every pieces into a string. Now she prepared the needle and the thread to start to tie up all the ready-made curtain. She's now going to tie every single.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Single pieces. Now she got prepare one long strip fabric. Now she's going to connect all the ties. My mom is 71 years old, but she very smart to do this thing. Tapos yung sinulid, ang bilis niya makapasok doon sa butas ng karayom. Kahit 71 years old na siya, pero ang tulis pa rin ang mata niya. Every after house chores, this is her relaxing time. When she's sitting down, then she slowly cut all the empty wrappers. And the things that she needed is needle, thread, scissors, empty wrappers, string, very hard string to tie up, strip. She got cut strip fabric, basin or container to put all the ready for tying up. Now she going to tie up all, and she connected all. Now you can see how very nice. This is for window.
Asa man hawiran na nanayab. Asa makadapit? Sa kaya ang sukdan. Arabi pareha.
Guys, this is the end of the video. God bless you all. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.